I wanted to share one of my favorite personalized gifts for Father's Day. This is a book from the brand Hooray Heroes. We actually created it online, and it is so easy to use. There is 5 simple steps, and you can personalize the character to look exactly like your child. Their hairstyle, the color of their hair, their eyes. And you have so many options to personalize Dad, from his skin tone, his eye color, and his hairstyle. Now your child is the star of this book, and you get to choose 12 different occupations that your child can potentially grow up to be. Now I love the fact that you can add a dedication to this book to make it really special and creative for Father's Day. This book has beautiful illustrations showcasing your child as the main character. Give a gift this Father's Day that the kids and Dad can enjoy with this book from Hooray Heroes.